going on, guys? Caleb here, Caleb's Property Maintenance. Alright, here we go for the 500 subscriber giveaway. I want to say thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. I just recently created the green industry from a young person's perspective. I think that's what I want to do with this channel. So thank you so much for subscribing, and we're just going to continue to grow this. Some of you have seen the video, I think it's titled Echo 2620T plus one attachment that changed my business in 2018, and I maybe should have titled that a little bit differently, but I didn't want to give it away that video had the 500 subscriber giveaway. I sort of wanted you to watch that video and see it at the end. That's why I did not title it the 500 subscriber giveaway. I'm sure maybe some more of you may have watched it had I titled it that. But there was definitely a hint in the next video, almost to 500 subscribers. That was in the title. So, and then I added the card, of course, at the top saying that to check out that video. So I gave you guys a bunch of clues. I just didn't want to make it really obvious. So that's why I did what I did. And I have a random comment picker right here on my phone, right here. And I am going to pick the winner. That winner is going to get an Edge Pro. And here we go. So right here we have the winner. There we go. Border Scavenger Landscaping Maintenance Incorporated. You won the 500 subscriber giveaway. Thank you everyone for commenting on that video. If that person is not interested in the Edge Pro or doesn't have any trimmers that it would go on, I will pick another winner, and that winner will be announced. I'm going to give our current winner 24 hours to get in contact with me. He can even email me directly. I'll put that right down here. That's easier with him. My email address will also be in the description if that makes it a little bit easier. Thank you everyone so much for entering. And one last little thing here at the end. I did a test run of this maybe about 4 or 5 days ago, and someone that really loves watching the channel, and I'm in pretty regular contact with, one when I did it then, and so I texted him. I was like, "Yo, you just won the test run of the 500 subscriber giveaway," and he said, "Oh, only that would happen to me." So shout out to him. His name's James. I'm sure he's going to be checking out this video, so shout out to you, brother. And he is in the process of starting his own YouTube channel as well. He just picked up a GoPro, so once I know the name of the channel, I will shout him out again and leave that either as a card at the top or something like that. So, and once I get those details, I will definitely pass them on to you guys. That's basically it, guys. So thank you so much again for 500 subscribers. Give all glory to God for what he's allowed me to do here with YouTube, and hopefully it just continues to grow. So thank you very much, guys, for watching, and we'll see you in the next one next week. As you guys have seen, I've been doing weekly videos, so be on the lookout for that sometime at the end of next week. Alright guys, have a great rest of your day, and we'll talk to you guys soon.